Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Holly Wolf here, and you're watching Wolf of the Wild. So, pardon the noise. We are at the Wolf Manor front porch again, front yard, front porch, and it is prime time. There's a bus going by. There was a fire truck that just went by. This guy's got a trailer. Oh my goodness. Anyways, we are here at the front porch, and I wanted to just show off my Halloween decorations. Today, I have been working hard every single day, kind of like adding to it, putting things up, testing things, because we have some really awesome photo shoots going on here. Lots of spooky shoots for Halloween. And if you didn't know this about me, I'm a big Halloween person. So I just wanted to show you around, show you what I've done, and my little DIYs that I've also kind of put together, and go through them with you. It's gonna be a fun video. Let's get right to it. Good? Okay. Okay, so we're gonna start. I'm gonna take you over to one of my favorite things. I mean, everything's kind of my favorite thing, but you know those 12-foot skeletons, those 13-foot skeletons? Well, this year, they had a Jack skeleton from Nightmare Before Christmas, and it is easily one of my favorite movies, and I just had to have him. And so the thing is, I plan on maybe adding to it every year. I would love to make an Oogie Boogie Man and place him on the landing up here. It'd be so cool. But for now, we have a beautiful Jack skeleton, and let's go over and look at him. Oh my gosh. Okay, look at him. Isn't he crazy? He's so cool. He is 13 feet tall. He looks absolutely amazing. Lucky enough, he wasn't that hard to put up, so hopefully he's also not that hard to take down. He also speaks. He also moves. The whole head is animatronic. It's absolutely amazing. He has cute little lights in his bow tie, so it lights up his face, but I also added a light underneath him, and we added some extra bricks to his foundation. I'm not sure what I want to do yet. Like for his base, it's open, you can see it, and it's really big, so I'm not sure what I want to do. It would be fun to like put a bunch of skulls around him, maybe like a graveyard. That actually might be good, a little graveyard, because he sings this song in a graveyard, actually. That's probably what I'll do. See? I talk about it, I brainstorm, now I'm like, wait a minute. Actually, if I do some gravestones around here and then I have the fog coming out, ooh, that'd be really nice. So that's him. He looks amazing. I absolutely love him. At the end of this video, I'll actually be inserting a lot of night footage because obviously it's the daytime, and I want you to see him in all of his glory. He looks amazing, but oh, he's so awesome. Ooh, look at this gorgeous house. Again, at night, he looks really cool. We have some beautiful purple lights shining through the cobwebs. I got this beautiful like beef netting on Amazon that you put up and then you rip holes into, so you slash it yourself, which is really awesome. I have these cute little ghosts, which I've had for a while, so we put on this side. And it just looks so spooky, looks so amazing for Halloween. Oh! These guys, let's talk about these dragons next. I saw these a few weeks ago at HomeSense. And I was like, oh my God, I've never seen something like this, right? I actually joined a Halloween group on Facebook called like Halloween Haunters of Home Depot, where people show off like their Halloween setups. It's a whole group. It has thousands of members, thousands and thousands. And yeah, it's just like DIYs of all the Halloween stuff that you get from Home Depot as a base. And I just posted in the group last night for the first time, and everyone was like, oh my God, where are those dragons from? And unfortunately, they're not Home Depot. They are HomeSense, but they're absolutely gorgeous. What is from Home Depot, though, are these pumpkins. And they're really cute. A friend of mine, actually, it was my birthday a few weeks ago, got me a Home Depot gift card. And I was like, I will use that. So I managed to get 6 pumpkins. We have 3 on here and then 3 over here. And actually what I did was I sawed off the top of the 2 lower pumpkins and drilled holes underneath them. So they're actually just sitting on top of each other like this. And I took out the original lights because they all had like a little orange light. And I strung in a Home Depot string light system into them. This one's purple. This one over here is orange. I thought I was getting 2 purples. I'm an idiot and I didn't look. But I actually like the orange better. So I put an orange in here, a purple in there. We kind of looked. And because the whole house is purple, I do want to change this one to orange just so it illuminates more of the same color scheme, which is really cool in general. But yeah, the orange for freaking sure. Just above you are these beautiful floating candles. They're very Harry Potter-esque. And they're really, really cute. I grabbed a bunch of cute little hooks on Amazon, threw them up into the ceiling here, and did all these beautiful string lights, these beautiful hanging candles. They were a little bit pricey, I'm not gonna lie, and each one needs its own battery, plus the wand. So they were definitely like, wow, expensive. Not the cheapest thing, but hopefully they last a long time. And I've been turning it on for like an hour or 2 each night and during photo shoots. It looks amazing though. It looks absolutely adorable and fantastic. Last but not least, let's go over here. We have some cute bats in the window actually that light up at night. So cute, so adorable. They're great LED bats actually. And they also lend to helping the porch area because they're very bright and beautiful, helping mask these and bring out purple so that both sides of the patio are beautifully lit, and I absolutely adore them. So this is like, yeah, it's on my Amazon storefront. Like I made a whole Halloween list because why not? It's like the easiest thing when people are like, where's that from? Yeah, this you just slit a whole bunch of holes in it with an X-Acto knife or scissors. And you just kind of hang it where you want to, stretch it out so it looks very spiderwebby. It comes with some great hooks, like garden stakes, for you to put it into your garden. And so I've extended it over into the plants. And it looks freaking amazing. Yeah, I love it. So this is my Halloween setup for this year. Should we run to the back to show the witch area? Let's do it. All right, so we're at the backyard now. We have a cute little witchy area that I've made. I have some photo shoots coming tomorrow and I'm so excited. All of these leaves are falling right now, which is perfect. It's like the first tree to fall and I'm not mad about it because it actually helps me with all the photo shoots I'm going to be doing here, which is so cool. I strung up some cute witchy hats to this area. Again, this cauldron is from Home Depot. I added a little bit more like string and texture, and I'm going to be taking the top off and we're going to be throwing smoke bombs in it. I did leaves for the base so it looks a little bit more real, and then I also just threw a bunch of leaf piles together. Plus, I had some crosses that I made several years ago, so we've got some dead bodies in here. My former employees who helped me gardening, they just didn't do well enough, so they're in here. And yeah, we got some flowers, we got some bums, we got some skulls. We're living. That's basically it. Last but not least, we have this cute little flower area because, you know, it's harvest season, it's fall. I got this gorgeous little setup here. Don't mind my disgusting sweater from destroying all the drywall inside. Ooh, that's probably pretty bright. But we have this gorgeous little porch area that's currently full of mums and beautiful kales and grasses and your fall plants, plus pumpkins, of course. Also hydrangeas that I picked, that I cut. Oh, they're very dry now. From my parents' house. All of these are from their beautiful hydrangea trees. I needed to trim them anyway, so I took a lot of the blooms and brought them here, as well as some dried herbs and other things. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I just wanted to show off my Halloween decor a little bit, go into a slightly deeper explanation of it and kind of what I did. So I'm debating putting either color in the upper windows on the front or putting cute little ghosts in the windows, like peeking through. Because at nighttime you see all the beautiful light at the bottom. I definitely need something on the top level, but I don't want it to like overpower, you know? So yeah, that is it. Thank you guys. Wow. I need to slow down. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you're doing for your Halloween decorations. And if you have setups already, I would love to see them. Instagram? Wolf the Wild on Instagram? You can send me a DM there, I think. I don't think you can do that on YouTube. It's kind of annoying. Oh my god, could you imagine if you could post videos and photos in the YouTube comments? That'd be dangerous, but it also would be nice so I could see your stuff. Alright guys, have a wonderful day. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you later. Make sure you like and subscribe, and as always, see you next time. Bye!